It's a new update right now on GlowLive streaming app. This is why I'm making this video, that I don't want you to miss this update. It's very important that I share this update before you miss it, because I'm about to apply my. Now, if you look at my screen, you're going to notice become a video host, $2 per day, get fully $14 in 1 week. Okay, this is what is going on, and I'm about to apply my. That's why I wanted to do this video, so that you don't miss this update, especially those of us that love live streaming. Okay, you know there is difference between audio and a live. And audio, if there is money they are paying you is enough for you, you can start. But if the money they are not paying is not enough for you, you cannot just force yourself. Okay, choose audio. Okay, so I know that audio is actually less stress, and the video is actually a bit little bit stress, but I think the money they are paying is actually worth it. Okay, but you can actually check it if it is okay. Remember, it's a video host that we are talking about. We're not talking about audio host. Remember, it's a video host that I'm about to share with you how you can actually apply on this Glow Life new update right now. Now, disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by GlowLife. This video is based on my personal experience and also what I do. You are free to do your own research before investing your time or investing your money in this live streaming app. Okay? Okay, I share what I do on my platform, so go ahead and do your own research. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually apply for this successfully. Okay? Now, if you look at my interface, you're going to see that I'm on my account now to show you how many rewards they are giving. Maybe it is the first time that you're coming across this video, okay? So they are giving 5,000 every day as those just their daily reward. But if you're new, they're going to give you 100k, 100k. That 100k is actually worth $1. Okay, and the minimum you can withdraw here is actually 1 million points that are going to be withdrawing. Okay, if you look at my video, you're going to notice that I've made about this particular app multiple times on my platform, giving you update. Okay, so all you need to do for you to go ahead and watch that video and understand about this app before you can able to proceed. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to apply for this. All you need to do is for you to go to your Glow Life app. You are going to see this, then become a video host, $2 per day, get fully $14 in 1 week. Then you need to click on it. Okay, if you click on it, it's going to take you to a browser where you're going to be adding your email. Note, before you can select your email, make sure it's the email that contain your name, your full name. Then actually go ahead and change my email, switch my account to the my full name email address. Okay, if you don't have email address, go ahead and create it with your name fresh. Okay, then you are going to see your nickname. Okay, make sure you added your nickname correctly. I'm going to go ahead and choose Faith on my nickname. Okay, because I'm actually answering him, but I'm going after this application. I'm going to go to Glue Life and change my name to Faith. Okay, right there you're going to see your age. Then I'm going to put my age. Put exactly what you put on your profile picture. Okay, now they're going to ask you your country. Put your country. Already you have picked your ID. Make sure you copy your ID already. Then paste your ID. Then put your correct phone number, okay, on the application process, so that you not get rejected or something like that. Okay, so for you to get a good response to them. Okay, now they are going to ask you to upload your real profile picture. Make sure the profile picture you're going to be uploading here is your real photo, not another person's picture. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look for the picture that I want to use. I keep on searching for my picture. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick this particular picture. Okay, that is my profile. And I notice that the picture that I selected is only my face. So make sure maybe your full body picture or something like that. I need to go ahead and select browser again for me to upload my full photo. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and search for the one that contain my full body. Then I'm going to be uploading, as you can see. As you can see that you have already uploaded. Then I'm going to ask you which app you have worked before. Okay, which app? Because I've been on Purple for more than 3 years now. I'm going to go ahead and select Purple Life because I've been on Purple for 3 years. Okay, right now you're going to see that host live video host edition application. As you can see, you have been in progress. Okay, this is how you can actually apply for this thing successfully, so those that you not made a mistake about it. Right now, after I use Faith on my application, I'm going to come here and edit my nickname here so that my application will not get rejected. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose Faith Agency, okay, and click on save button. Okay, so if you notice that it is not saving, maybe you made a mistake by editing, then you need to come back again. As you can see, it is still the name. Then you need to click on the pencil icon again and select your name again and edit it. Okay, maybe you are selecting and it misbehaved this way, so I want to put my name in capital letter Faith. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Click on the top right corner here, then you click save. As you can see, my name has changed automatically, and maybe they are reviewing my application. If they come to my profile, it is still the name. The age, make sure is corresponding with what you put on your application process. Okay, this is how you can actually apply for this thing without you getting rejected. Maybe the name that you feel there is not okay for you, you can actually go ahead and change it after the application. Go ahead and change it and wait for them to approve. The reason why you're going to be putting your real WhatsApp number is because in case there is any requirement they need, okay, before you can able to proceed, because they may need requirements for this. Okay, so that is what you need to do in order for you to apply for this. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you guys on my next video. Bye.